So I'm back because I wanted to show you guys the heated wash setting. If you'll notice, yeah, I made a bit of a mess. But we have these are our pre-settings right here. So you can see the 8 pre-settings. Plus we have the pulse button here. Anyway, we're going to add some dish soap to our blender here. And for those of you that are wondering, I went ahead and took the sauce and I added it to the pasta, mixed it. And then because I actually, this made a lot, so I was able to take one of my older spaghetti sauce jars and I put my sauce in it. And because of how hot it is, it will actually heat seal it. So this will go into my pantry, and I have, for a fraction of the money, I have 2 basically jars of spaghetti sauce. So excited to do this. So what we have to do is add 3 cups of water. So that's what we're doing here. And then just a couple drops of dish soap. We're going to put the lid back on, close it, and then we're going to hit cancel on this. And if you'll notice, there's also a custom blend setting if I wanted to use that. But we are going to dial on over to heated wash and then just simply push a button. So another just fantastic feature of this. So I can show you guys here. This is the temperature going up, because when I say heated wash, it is an actual heated wash. It's going to heat the water while spinning the blades and washing. So these pauses in between, that's what this is. This is the element getting hotter. So what a thing to be able to do to actually have a heated wash setting. We're going to watch this here for a few minutes. But I've done this after I've used it on everything I've made so far, and it's done a wonderful job. It works great on the peanut butter. It works really great even after the jams that I've made, and jams can be a little sticky. So it just does a fantastic job. So we're going to sit here and watch this for a little bit so you guys can see how the heated wash setting, and I know I keep emphasizing that word heated because you don't even have to put hot water in it. You can put cold water in it, and the element will actually heat the water. That's what we can see right there. Is now it's at 131, and you see that dial going around and around. That's because it's telling you that it's heating. In fact, the word heat is actually right there. And if you'll notice on these pre-settings with the red ring around it, those are your element settings, basically your heat element settings. And then the blue ones over here, where you have your alternative milk and your smoothie setting and your grind setting and then your heated wash. So they make it so easy to use this. I love that grind setting for homemade peanut butter and homemade powdered sugar. I know a lot of people who are using it to grind coffee beans. And we've got the smoothie setting. This makes ice cream. It also makes something we call Nice Cream, which is a non-dairy ice cream. It uses frozen bananas because, yes, this will actually break up frozen items. Look at that. Now, the lid I usually have to kind of rinse. But this is a good job. That's right there. That's on the outside of the blender. So, and then of course I got a little on the outside there, so I'll clean that up. But this comes with a mesh bag to separate the nuts from the milk that it produces. It does come with the tamper. It also comes with a dual-sided cleaning brush to help you clean it if need be. And it comes with an additional noise reducing motor plug. So there's one already on there, but you do get an extra one with it. So you can see we're getting up to a certain temperature, and we have a countdown now when the heated wash is going to be done. What a product. This right here is the #1 reason why people are hosting parties, whether it be virtual, online, if you're not near me, or in person. All right, so you can see, look how good that's looking. Less than 40 seconds left. Man, what a product. I can't get enough of this thing. I know I keep saying that. Tonight's demo, whole jar of sauce plus what I used in our meal, quick cooker, cooking the pasta, and then of course, grill pan doing our rolls and our cinnamon rolls. And we're on the final countdown there. All right, so you'll see I will have to go in and rinse the lid, which is no problem. Easy enough to do. But you can see the temperature, it's at 144 degrees when it finished. So you know that your pitcher is very nice and clean and sanitized. And thanks for tuning in. I just wanted to show you guys this other feature. Have a good night.